everyone, welcome back to another video. Basically, I'm just making another video. Sorry for posting so much in the past few days. I'm just excited to post again because I haven't posted in a while. And I hit 80 subscribers. It took me a while, but finally I did it. I hope that in the future that I will gain more subscribers and make better content for you guys. And I want to thank you for enjoying the Among Us video yesterday, because I think I gained a new subscriber from that video, because I had 79 subscribers, went down to 78, now I'm at 80, so that's pretty insane, pretty crap. I've made so many videos, but don't have barely any views. It's insane. And we already have 10k views, as you know in the last video if you watched that. But thank you guys. Please subscribe. Wait, did you subscribe? Huh? Did you subscribe, bro? Were you the kid making fun of me for my YouTube channel at school? Huh? Was that you? Oh my gosh, that probably was loud. I'm sorry. Bye!